Solo means alone. And it's always going to match the noun in gender and number. So it could be solo, sola, solos, solas. ¿Te gusta comer solo? A mí no me gusta comer sola. Another use of solo is only or just, like yo solo me comí un chocolate. And you can replace solo in this case for solamente. You could say, solo me gustan los libros de historia, or solamente me gustan los libros de historia. But don't get confused if you are going to use just, trying to say that you recently did something. That's another word. That's going to be acabo. So, I just finished cleaning my room would be acabo de limpiar mi cuarto. The expression ni uno solo means not a single one. Fui al mercado y no compré ni una sola cosa. So it's important to know that years ago, solo as only needed to have an accent mark. Right now, you can use it without the accent. There is a saying that says, estar más solo que la una. And it means to be absolutely alone. Like, yo no conocía a nadie, estaba más sola que la una. En la mañana nunca voy sola, siempre voy bien acompañada. Normalmente hay gasolina de 91 o 95 octanos, pero ahorita solo hay de 91. In this case, when I'm using solo as only, I could say solamente instead of solo. Solamente hay gasolina de 91. Quiero comprar solo pechugas de pollo. Yo iba a comprar solo las pechugas de pollo y terminé comprando un montón de cosas, de vegetales, de frutas. Remember that I have a YouTube channel with all these stories, all these posts organized for you to practice. It's easier because you can stop it, go back, review it, and it's great if you like it and you subscribe because that's the only way that I have to know that you are liking it, that you are using it, and that you need more content.